In this video, we are going to cover the area and ribbon chart. So basically, area chart is you can consider it as a line chart. Usually, you need to have the time series and then line chart with the density. And density in the sense you have how much it is contributing in a overall level. If you add usually this area chart and ribbon charts are meant for comparing with the different categories over the period, so that you can see how much density it has. So when you talk about ribbon chart, it is kind of a area chart, but what happens in case of ribbon chart is like the highest value always appears at the top. So that, let's say for you are comparing 2 to 3 categories, as I mentioned before, usually it will be comparing with multiple categories. For a particular month, category A will be having a highest value that will be shown at the top, but on the next month the category B will be the top and A will be a second one, right? So these kind of changes you can visually see it. This is what the purpose of ribbon chart. I will show it in a demo so that you will understand it better. So we are in powerbi now. Now you can see here the area chart. This is the area chart. So let's try to create one. So it's instead of tax amount, I use the area chart here. It is nothing but area chart. Click on this. I'm comparing, I'm having x-axis the year and month, that is from sale date. Let's try to have the sales amount here. Now you can see along with this different items, right? When you remove this legend here, okay, it is the line chart with your area filled, right? This is the area chart, so it will tell me clearly how much it is dense. Okay, if it is more higher, if you see here, this is very less, right? So that you can able to easily sense how much it is contributing. Now when you add along with any other category that we did, let's say we will add 4 categories here, category name, this will be stacked, right? One on top of that. So it will also give me the density. While you are seeing in the line chart, right, it is a line chart, but when you see how much different it is compared to each category. So this yellow one is all about casual wear. Casual one wear, if you see the density, you can visually sense it, right? There is a huge difference between how much it contributed. So this is the whole purpose of your area chart. Now when you go to the ribbon chart, right, let's try to here, let's try to take an item name here, right? There you go. Now when you closely watch this one, it is kind of area chart, but in case of area chart, always a line will be there for each category. It will not overlap. But in this case, if you see this brown one, right, brown one is nothing but your jeans Zara. So jeans Zara on this particular month, right, 2025 March, it is 5250, but on this particular month, right, it is 5103, which is more than this, but another item, that is t-shirt. So t-shirt on March is 5364, that is why it is appearing above, whereas on April t-shirt is 5000 and jeans Zara is 510. So it is slightly higher, so there is a slight difference. So this one is just above the t-shirt, so it will give you the ranking. So whichever has the highest ranking, right, that will appear on the top, which is having a more amount. So I usually use this chart for the cost comparison. Let's say I have 20 items that is contributing to my Azure cost. One month it can be data factory cost, another month it can be a Power BI cost. So on overall another month it can be a 0 because you reduced. This can be shown for your proof of concept, or you are proving like this particular technology you stopped, then the cost has reduced, so this will go down over here. So this is the proof, right? While you are comparing the historical comparison, what you have done before has impacted your future behaviors. So this is the very good chart for your this will help you to understand more better, and you can implement the same in your organization. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and comment below for queries, and do remember that data is your asset.